students, welcome back to English Lessons from Home. This is Rosmi Kawara. Dear students, today I am going to discuss substance writing. Substance writing carries 5 marks. It is optional. You can try translation or substance writing. Those who are good at translation, they need not try substance writing. But substance writing is a very interesting process. It carries 5 marks and getting 5 on 5 is quite possible if you watch this video till the end and learn the easy process. Before going to write a substance, we must know what is substance writing. Substance writing means giving an abstract of carefully selected points of a given passage. In the question paper, you will be given a passage. You have to read it thoroughly and you have to give an abstract or the main points. While writing a substance, omission of irrelevant details and selection of important pieces of information is the principle at work. It is a systematic technique to give a gist of significant details clearly and accurately is a skill, and it can be developed through practice. You should practice it step by step, and it involves the steps comprehension, selection, and clear and concise expression. Now, what is comprehension? Comprehension means read the passage thoroughly and understand. You try your best to understand the given passage. It is not necessary to understand every word, but you have to grasp the essence of the passage. Next stage is selection. Selections means pick out what is essential or reject what is inessential. And while going to do that, you have to omit the examples, ornamental expressions, figures of speech, unnecessary or superfluous details, illustrations, and repetitions. That means you have to select only the concrete details. Next step is expression. Express the essence of the text in your own words. While going to do that, use language effectively. Remember the word limit. People say different things about the word limit. There is no hard and fast rule, but the substance should be considerably shorter than the original. It should not be more than half of the original. And some says that it should be 1/3 of the given passage. While writing the substance in your own words, be clear and direct. Your language should be simple. Write in a single paragraph and use third-person point of view. While going to observe the word limit, you can use a grid. And while getting the essence of the given passage, you can try asking yourself a question: what is the passage about? This will help you to gather a general impression about the passage. It is necessary to identify the topic, the purpose, and the tone. That means the key idea. And thereafter you will be able to express what you have understood in your own words. I have brought an example. This is a passage which came in SSLC 2016. It is very difficult to get rid of bad habits, so one should be careful that one does not form bad habits during the early years of life. Idleness is one of such bad habits. Every boy and girl should be diligent. They should avoid idleness like poison. Some of them love to remain in bed long after daybreak and get out of bed unwillingly. Even after that, they waste time over trifles and spend as little time as they can on reading. As a result, they cannot learn much as they should. What is worse, they become so accustomed to such a bad habit that they cannot shake it off even after their greatest efforts. This bad habit then holds them hard in the coils like a large snake. This is a very simple passage and I have made a substance for you. Answer: bad habits once formed cannot be got rid of, so we should be very careful not to form any bad habit. Idleness, late rising, etc. are bad habits. They waste our time and affect our studies adversely. The grip of bad habits is so dangerous that it cannot be shaken off even with utmost efforts. Hope you will be much benefited. Thank you for watching.